In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively customize the Sense theme on Shopify for your online store. As part of Shopify's OS 2.0 update, the Sense theme is a great choice due to its modern and flexible features that don't require any coding knowledge. First, let's explore what the Sense theme offers. This theme brings a contemporary touch to your store while offering an abundance of customization options. It includes user-friendly features such as lookbooks, product videos, size charts, and detailed usage information. These features help in creating a rich and informative customer experience. Additionally, Sense offers advanced filters and sorting options, a sticky header, and swatches for color or variant filters, all of which enhance navigation and usability for your customers. However, one of the standout aspects of the Sense theme is its flexible design settings. You have the ability to tailor the color schemes of different sections to align with your brand's identity, all through the theme customizer, without needing to write a single line of code. To begin with the basic customization using the theme editor, let's focus on the global colors and color schemes. Navigate to your Shopify admin, and under Online Store, select Themes, then click on Customize. Within the theme settings, you'll find Colors. Here, you'll see a variety of color schemes. You can freely adjust background colors, text shades, and accent colors to fit your branding. Each section of your online store can utilize a distinct color scheme, allowing you to create a visually cohesive and appealing site. Now, let's talk about rearranging, adding, or removing sections and blocks. The theme editor is your go-to tool for reordering homepage sections. You can add blocks such as images with text, slideshows, or feature collections, including the attractive lookbook sections that can showcase your products in a curated fashion. On your product pages, you have the option to enable or disable elements like product videos or size charts, giving you the flexibility to present information that is most relevant to your audience. Next, let's customize the footer and menus. By going to Navigation in your Shopify admin, you can choose which menus appear in your store's footer. In the theme editor, specifically in the footer section, you can add or remove blocks like social media icons or a newsletter sign-up, enhancing how users engage with your store. Moving on to the header and navigation, you can customize your logo and choose whether to enable the sticky header feature. This feature ensures your header remains visible when a user scrolls or returns to the top of the page. You can decide between implementing a mega menu or maintaining a traditional drop-down menu, according to what suits your store's needs best. Now, regarding backgrounds and layout widths, if you wish to change the overall background color, go to Theme Settings, and then Colors. Select your preferred background to create the desired look. Many sections allow you to set their width, either full or contained, allowing you to have control over the layout. Finally, let's focus on text alignment and heading styles. Numerous headings and text blocks allow you to toggle their alignment, size, and style within their block settings in Customize mode. This level of detail helps you ensure that your written content is both readable and aesthetically pleasing. With these steps, you're well on your way to customizing the Sense theme on Shopify, making your store both unique and professional without requiring any code.